Folks, welcome back to another video. Just down here at the river today, doing a little fishing, and I thought I'd go over this kit by the Hidden Woodsman, Malcolm over at the Hidden Woodsman. This is his new survival kit pouch, and so yeah, let's take a look at it. Y'all stay tuned. My name's Chris. You're watching Skills to Survive. I'll be right back. Alright folks, welcome back. So yeah, as you've seen in a previous video, I did a previous video of some of Malcolm's new pouches that he makes. His fire pouch and his possibles pouch. Now, like I said in that video, I've known Malcolm for a long time. I was one of the first users of his gear when he first started a long time ago. And so yeah, so this is his new survival kit pouch, and I'll leave the dimensions down below. And there's already a lot of reviews out here on YouTube of this pouch, but this is my rendition of it. He calls it the survival kit pouch, but you can do anything with it. Obviously, you can put whatever you want in it. So first off, you got a nice heavy-duty YKK zipper on the front here, so you can put some stuff on the front if you want. Got a nice heavy-duty grab handle, nice heavy-duty YKK zippers all the way around, and then on the back here, got a huge Velcro panel. So if you want to put patches or whatnot, you can do that. So it's pretty neat how this opens. This kind of clamshells open, so you just unzip it, and you open it up. Now, as you can see today, I don't have it set up as a survival kit because there's a lot of videos out there already on the survival kit, so I want to do something a little bit different with it. So I'm down here at the river today just doing a little fishing, and I thought I'd set it up as a fishing kit. So I got my little lightweight ultralight reel there. This, believe it or not, is a rod. Set this out of the way. Then I got my little hobo, compact hobo survival fishing kit that I've used for many years. I've caught a crap ton of fish off of this little kit here that I put together years ago. So as you can see on the inside of this kit, you have some elastic up here, and then you have like two rows of elastic. You have a band underneath, and then you have a band on top, and that kind of gives this some rigidity. Also, if you want to put something under there and something on top, you can do that. High vis interior, which I really like. That's very nice. You do have a little center loop here if you want to put something there. I've seen some people put like flashlights and water filters and whatnot right there. You have a little D-ring here if you want to connect something with the D-ring. Nice little slip pocket right here so you can slide stuff in. I got a little, you can see a small little tackle box just slid right in there. And then on this side over here, you have a zippered pocket, which is really nice. And then I have another small little tackle box in there as well. Today, so just kind of lightweight today, not really loading it up. I mean, just with this stuff in here, it's kind of loaded out, but not really loading up in the survival kit fashion like you see. I said several other videos are already out there on the survival kits and whatnot, so I just want to do something a little different with it. But again, you can load this up however you want. Survival kit, make a good little trauma kit for you if you want to do that. You know, fishing kit, navigation kit, gun cleaning kit, a small little gun, like a gun purse, I guess you could say. You could put if you had a small gun like a Smith & Wesson M&P Shield or a small revolver, you could put a small revolver, like slide it in here, have a couple speed loaders, maybe some hearing protection and stuff in here and whatnot. You could have that, maybe a small little range bag, I guess, something like that. But anyways, very versatile, and like I said, Malcolm's making some great stuff. He always has, and he's a great guy, and I like supporting, you know, like I said, small businesses and whatnot. But you know, his stuff is bomb proof. I mean, it's great gear, and I'd highly recommend him. If you don't have one of his haversacks or one of his pouches or whatnot, just go over there and check him out, and definitely pick you up something. As you can tell here, this is in the multicam black. This is kind of cool color too. He has different colors of his kits and pouches and whatnot, so definitely go over there and give him a look. I'll leave the dimensions down below of this. I'm not quite sure. I forgot the dimensions of it, but anyway, it'd make a great kit for just about anything you want. So anyway, quick little review for you. You'll see this, you know, you'll see me using it and throughout my videos and stuff, like I do with all my gear. I mean, if it's great gear, I'm going to continue to use it. Like just about all my gear, I just rotate out. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till see you in another video. Always remember your PPE, plan, prepare, and exercise, and click that little bell button as well. And till see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.